Hello. So, while my sister is asleep, my mother is out, my boyfriend is not here, I thought I would remove the one thing that has been the talk of the town, my moustache. Now, I don't know about you, but I have extremely sensitive skin and shit don't work for me. So, I'm gonna try more shit. It ain't gonna work for me. This is the Nair Hair Removal Nourish Upper Lip Kit. You get 2 bottles in it. I've had a little read. Get 2 bottles of stuff, or tubes. One is the hair remover, and the other is an upper lip fragrance-free moisturizer. Let's get cracking. So, number 1, read the instructions carefully before use. Okay. Ensure skin is clean and dry. Gently squeeze tube to dispense cream with precision applicator. Spread a thick, even layer to cover the hair. Do not rub in. After 3 minutes, test a small area. Okay, great. So, this is it. I just put that on. I don't know where I'm supposed to. Yes? Yes. No, I am not using a mirror. I'm using my phone. That looks right. Yeah. Now, we sit and wait for 3 to 5 minutes. That'll be now. Okay. And then it's a gently wipe off cream with a damp cloth. Do not rub in. Oh, it stings. Okay. Okay. Now we wait 5 minutes. My alarm has gone off. Wet cloth. Let's go then. That's stainage, by the way. It's not dirty, it's stainage. Right, let's go. Am I supposed to? I'm supposed to. Bloody hell. Oh, what? Oh. Oh, can you see the hair? There's still like hair there. Ah! Oh We have redness. Right. Pat dry with a soft towel. My sleeve will do. That's hair dye as well. I'm not a complete tramp. Well, I am, but... Right. Apply moisturiser. And gently massage into skin. I don't want to put my fingers on it. Oh, it's so red. Oh, it burns. If you can see, it's not that bad. I've had worse. So yeah, there's my moustache removal.
Oh, it burns.
It burns.
That's bad.
It burns.